Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to do a quick tutorial using this LA Colors Insta Look makeup kit. It comes with everything you need to make a cute Halloween look or a costume party look. The only thing we didn't show is it does come with lashes. We didn't use those, but stick around to see what we've done. As you can see here, we are using a stencil. No, the stencil is not provided in the complete makeup kit. We just went ahead and bought one because we really wanted to try and achieve that mermaid scale type of look. So we had no rhyme or reason of what colors we used. We just kind of chose whatever we thought would fit with this look. Just get creative, guys, and have fun. So we did run into a few problems with this stencil. It wasn't self-adhesive, and I didn't think to tape it down before I used it. So between that and the little bit of fallout that was in the shadow, it kind of smeared a little bit across and didn't quite stay into place. After a while, I figured out to start pressing the shadow in while I held it down and not smear the shadow across the stencil. I have seen people use fishnet stockings before, and I might try that technique next time because I've seen that it works really well. Anyway, we just rolled with it and kept on going. You know, practice makes perfect and technique gets better over time. So here we are just doing a light sweep of shadow over her eyes, just a little bit of shimmer, you know, for a little extra sparkle. And then from there, we moved on to a metallic lipstick that was provided in the kit. And if I have to say, the one showstopper in this kit was the metallic lipstick. It was so pigmented and a really great quality. And that's it, you guys. Little Miss Pink was a great sport during this tutorial.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed.
Bye-bye.